Ever had trouble starting up your computer? Nothing can feel more frustrating than pressing that power button and getting no response. However, not all hope is lost. Today, we're going to explore some simple troubleshooting steps that can help you get your computer up and running again. First things first, it's important to ensure that the problem isn't as simple as a power issue. Make sure your computer is properly plugged into the wall outlet and that the outlet itself is functional. A quick way to test this is by plugging in another device, like a phone charger or a lamp, into the same outlet. If the other device works, then you know the outlet isn't the issue. Next, try a hard reset. This involves unplugging the computer from its power source, then holding down the power button for about 30 seconds. After that, reconnect the power and try turning on the machine again. A hard reset can sometimes clear out any temporary software or hardware glitches that might be preventing the computer from starting. If your computer still isn't starting, it's time to investigate a potential hardware issue. Start by checking the computer's internal components. Remove the computer's side panel. Don't worry, this isn't as scary as it sounds. With the panel removed, ensure that all the cables are properly connected and that all the components are securely in place. Sometimes a loose or disconnected cable can be the culprit. If everything looks in order but the computer still won't start, try removing and reinserting the RAM. The RAM, or random access memory, is a crucial component for your computer's operation. If it's not properly seated, your computer might not start. Lastly, if all else fails, it may be time to consult with a professional. A qualified technician will be able to diagnose and fix more complex issues that might be beyond the scope of simple troubleshooting. In summary, if your computer won't start, there are several steps you can take. First, check the power source and ensure it's functional. Second, try a hard reset. Third, inspect the internal components and ensure all cables are connected and all parts are securely in place. If none of these steps work, consider seeking professional help. Remember, even though it can be frustrating when your computer won't start, there's always a solution. It might take a bit of detective work, but with patience and a systematic approach, you can get your computer up and running again.